Hello guys, in this video I will talk to you about the Revolut Vaults function, which is I think a great opportunity to save up some money for your maybe a holiday or an item that you wish to purchase. You can save money with this very easy to use and quite intuitive function on the Revolut app. It's very useful if you use the Revolut app as your main wallet. So you do your payments with it. You can save quite a lot of money without even noticing it. So they have two different wallet options. Let's see what they say about it. Stash in different currencies. Whether it's for a rainy day or a holiday, stash a little cash in a personal wallet in any currency, including crypto or commodities. So, as we can read it here, you can use your wallets in any of your currencies or even in cryptocurrencies, which is very useful. So, dream big together. Open a group wallet with family or friends to reach your goals faster together, like that dream vacation. So, this is another very interesting option that you can create a wallet for a group, for your family, for your partner, even with friends or colleagues. That's quite cool. So, they have these two options. With the personal wallet, you can save money for yourself, and it will save the change from every payment you make with your card or with your bank account. You can either set to save the change. You can create even a higher rate of saving. You can, for example, double or triple the amount of change that it saves. And you can even add a reoccurring payment for your wallet, so it will transfer from your from your account to the wallet a set amount of money in a set period of time. So this way you can create your wallet. Yeah, and the group wallet option is pretty much the same thing. The only difference is that you will put your money in a wallet that is for the group and you can save money together. So that's it about the Revolut wallet option. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would help me for sure. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me.